and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making a basil pesto. It is one of my favorite and it is very versatile. We can use it in different dishes like pasta, pizza and bruschetto and lot more dishes. So it needs very few ingredients. So let's start what we need for it. For it we need very few ingredients. So let's see what we need. So we need basil, and basil we can find in lots of variety like holy basil and Thai basil and different kind of basil, but I am using normal this sort of basil. You can see these leaves are like that, some sweet basil. So I'm using that. It is main ingredients, and I'm using some pine nuts and some lemon juice and some garlic cloves and cheese. It is your choice. Either you can use any other cheese or parmesan cheese or any other cheddar cheese or any cheese you like basically, or even you can use Indian paneer, or you can use halloumi. But today I am using vegan cheese because then everybody can enjoy my recipe. So and we need some salt and we need some pepper. That's all we need, and we have to just grind them in a food processor. So let's see. This is my food processor and everything will go here. Either I can chop or I can, for it I am chopping my basil, roughly chopped. I don't need to make very fine because it is going in our food processor. And I'm using basil leaves as I said, but if you don't have basil leaves enough, you can mix with kale. You can mix other herbs, parsley herbs, and some little bit spinach as well, but I am just using basil. So just roughly chopped. So basil is here. Now everything will go in our food processor. First I am using pine nut is going in, and some cheese and garlic cloves, salt to taste, some ground pepper, lemon juice, and our basil. And some oil. In. Now we have to just blend. It looks ready what we wanted. Look at this, beautiful, and how yummy, and it is so quick, and it is homemade. We know exactly what is going in, so we don't need to buy this from market. you can make in your home, very fresh, and use in your recipes. As I said, we can use in pasta, in pizza, in garlic bread, in bruschetta, and even our any salad. So, and you can store it like that in your fridge. I think it will go easily for a week in airtight container, because there is not any water, just leaves and oil. So look at this, beautiful, and look at this aroma is so lovely, so yummy looking already. You can't wait to taste it. So here we go, mine pasto is here, and you must try and enjoy with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel. It is very important that other people can enjoy my recipes, homemade pasta and other recipes. And see you next time. Okay, bye, thank you.